Thinking about replacing your roof but have no idea what it's really going to cost? Well, by the end of this video, you'll understand what affects roof prices and how to know what's fair for a quote before you spend a single dollar. Hi, I'm Kevin from Equity Roofing, and one of the first questions homeowners ask us is how much does a new roof actually cost? For homeowners in Pennsylvania and the Michiana regions, roof replacement costs can vary depending on roof size, slope, and material. But here's what the averages look like. A shingle roof typically falls between $14,000 and $44,000, while metal roofing can range from $10,000 all the way up to $50,000 or more, depending on the panel type and complexity. Here's what it'll cost on a square foot basis. For asphalt shingles, $5.80 to $8.20 per square foot. For exposed fastener metal, $5.80 to $9.20 per square foot. And for standing seam metal, $8.60 to $15.90 per square foot. To give you some real examples, a small ranch-style home with about 2,200 to 2,900 square feet of roof area usually costs about $14,000 to $18,000. A medium Cape Cod-style home with 2,500 to 3,300 square foot typically runs around $16,000 to $20,000. And a large or more complex home, roughly 3,600 to 5,500 square feet, can range from $22,000 to $44,000 or more. Here are some things roofers consider that affect the price of your roof. Roofing material. Asphalt shingles are the most popular and affordable, around $4 to $8 per square foot installed. Metal roofing can range from $4 to $14, while slate or tile can easily exceed $20 per square foot. Next is roof size and pitch. A steep or complex roof means more labor, safety equipment, and time. Flat roofs, on the other hand, tend to cost a little more per square foot. Next is tear off versus overlay. If your existing roof needs to be completely removed, that adds several $1,000s in labor and disposal costs. Underlayment and deck repairs. Hidden wood damage or rotten sheathing underneath your shingles can easily add $500 to $3,000 depending on how extensive it is. Warranties and installation quality. Hiring a certified installer who offers full system warranties will cost a little more upfront, but it's what prevents things like expensive issues years to come. If your current roof is between 15 and 25 years old, it's smart to start budgeting now. Ask your contractor for a full roof inspection before you see leaks, because catching issues early can save you thousands of dollars. Many homeowners use financing or insurance coverage, especially after storm damage, to make replacements more manageable. Check out our article about financing in the link below for more in-depth information. Thanks for watching. I'm Kevin with Equity Roofing, and we're here to help you make the smartest roofing decision for your home. Next stop, a better roof.